Installing a 4-bay 2.5-inch rear drive backplane and drive cage. Align the bottom of the backplane with the studs at the bottom of the drive cage. Then lower the backplane into the drive cage so that the pins on the drive cage pass through the holes in the backplane. Press the backplane into position. The release latches will secure the backplane in place. Align the rear drive cage with the chassis and then lower the drive cage into the chassis. Move the rear drive cage forward until it clicks into position. Install all the drives and fillers into the drive bays. Connect the cables to the rear drive backplane. Install the top cover.